Hello, dear students. When metal is added to an acid, hydrogen gas is displaced by the metal. So, hydrogen gas is produced and metal salt is produced. So, let us understand it. When zinc is added to acid, zinc salt, it may be zinc chloride or zinc sulfate, are formed and the bubbles of hydrogen gas are observed. The gas produced, hydrogen gas, burns with pop sound. So we'll see in the activity that the gas really burns with a pop sound. You can see again here, we add zinc solid to H2SO4 aqueous solution. You can see that zinc really attack on hydrogen and displaces this hydrogen. This hydrogen is displaced and produced as a hydrogen gas. This zinc combines with SO4 minus 2 ion and produces salt, which is known as the zinc sulfate. So it's a very simple to understand. Same thing happens if we, instead of the acid, sulfuric acid, if we take hydrochloric acid. So you can easily understand, in hydrochloric acid we have hydrogen and chlorine. So zinc displaces this hydrogen from hydrochloric acid. So two hydrogen atom turns into H2 gas. So hydrogen is being displaced and produced as a gas. At the same time, zinc combines with two atoms of chlorine and form a salt. So salt is formed, and this salt is ZnCl2, zinc chloride aqueous. Same way, we can even understand that if pure aluminum is added to sulfuric acid, it should produce aluminum sulfate and hydrogen gas. If aluminum is added to hydrochloric acid, it should produce aluminum chloride and hydrogen gas. If iron is added to sulfuric acid, it should produce iron sulfate and hydrogen gas. If iron is added to hydrochloric acid, it should produce iron chloride, iron 2 chloride and hydrogen gas. If magnesium is added to sulfuric acid, it should produce magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. If magnesium is added to hydrochloric acid, it should produce magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. So my dear students, it is very easy to understand this activity. I should repeat it once again, that when an acid, when metal more reactive than hydrogen, examples are zinc, aluminium, iron, magnesium, are added to an aqueous solution of an acid, like acid can be hydrochloric acid, HCl aqueous, or to an aqueous solution of sulfuric acid is H2SO4 aqueous, then what happens? Hydrogen is displaced by the metal, so hydrogen gas is produced and metal salt is produced. You can easily understand from all this reaction that when metal reacts with acid, it always produces hydrogen gas and salt. Here also you can see hydrogen gas and salt, metal, acid, hydrogen gas, 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 salt, metal, acid, hydrogen gas and salt. So we can easily write here that what we can write, metal plus acid, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen gas. So it's very easy to understand and remember. Please remember this. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying. Happy learning. We will see the activity.